Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable low data mode in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, well worry not, the process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to enable low data usage. Well, right here initially this is the chat section right here. What you guys need to do is simply focus on the bottom right here. Next to this icon, you will see the settings button. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, this is the settings page. Do note that there are lots of options, but right now what you guys need to do is simply focus on this thing right here called as low data usage. Just below Zangi Premium, you will find it. Click on it, and that is it. Now you can enable low data usage for mobile data and Wi-Fi both as well. Simply toggle on this button, and that is it. That's how you enable low data usage in Zangi. The process is quite easy, guys. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.